we are going to draw a tree with just using words like this. So if you can look at the top up here, you can see I did leaves. I wrote the word summer in the back. The tree trunk says sunshine all the way down. And then if you look at the down at the bottom, this says shade, and then this says time for baseball, time for baseball, time for baseball. Because it was just like a summertime tree. I just thought that was kind of a fun idea. So we're going to be doing this with just words only and a plain old pen. If you have a nice pen that you like to use, you can use that. Otherwise, we have some Bic pens in the room that we can use. We have black and we have red for these. So you could choose either one that you want to do. Now, when you do value, lights, mediums, and darks, we know that we can use cross-hatching, where we do light with nothing, and then cross-hatching is X's across each other. There's some X's, and then when you get here, it's more and more. I should have done maybe a little bit more here, and then it's almost black at the end. You can also do the same thing with hatching. That's just lines that go in one direction, and then pointillism, where it's just dots. So light, medium, dark, light, medium, dark. And then this one is with words. You can see it on the paper. Nothing here, only 3 words here. Go to the next one with a few more words, a few more, and then a few more. And they don't have to all be legible. You don't have to read them all. They start to like blob over each other, and that's fine too. But that's how you can create value with your words. So looking back at my tree here, see how I pushed the back of this here by doing the words really close together? And then how I made this look really light by just putting in some of the letters. I didn't even finish the word in some of those, but I did leaves here, and then I did an L and another L to make it look kind of like a leaf, okay? So to start this project, I have a tree for you that you can look at and you can use with a pencil to draw first. So pencil, draw the tree first. And if I zoom in on mine, you can actually see my pencil right here. You pencil draw first. Once you get the pencil done, then you're gonna pick what words you want to do, and I'll let you choose your own words. You could do the word leaves, you could do shade back here, you could do bark, it's totally up to you. What I did then is I did the darkest part first, and I just overlapped all of these words back in here. So I would start with that one first, pick what word you want first, and do all the leaves are back in here. And those are all super duper 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 close together. Okay, that makes it darker. Then I outlined each one with leaves, because this was a chunk, that was a chunk. Each one of these was a chunk. You can see where that's outlined. But instead of using a line to outline it, I did the word leaves over and over. Some of them went upside down, some of them went sideways, that's okay. It does not have to be perfect, okay? Once I did that, then I filled in the middle just a little teeny bit. It's supposed to be lighter here. So to keep it light, I just did L-E-A. I didn't even finish the letters. Okay, so that creates kind of like that area. I sort of tried to follow like where this was and where these parts were. So if I pull this back, you can kind of see where I followed, okay? Next, I did the tree trunk. This tree trunk had lots of lines in it, which I thought would make it easy for doing words. So I literally just did the outline of the tree trunk first, okay? And then I did a couple going in here, and then I did that little swirly swoopy thing in there. But that was about it. I didn't do too much else with it, and it gave it kind of like a medium-ish value. If I wanted to keep going, I would do a little bit more on this edge, because you can see how it's a little darker on that edge to make it like even pop more, okay? I added shade to mine over here just to make it a little bit different, and then I also gave mine a horizon line by doing time for baseball. Okay, so you are going to start by drawing the tree this big on your paper, not a mini one, this big. Once you draw your tree, you're gonna switch over to pen and start writing the words. If you didn't follow along with the video, you can always look right up here at the directions on the top for what to do, okay? Once you are done with this project, this is all gonna be done today. Next time you come in, you are going to be starting to plan your own, with your own image, and I'll show you some examples up on the Smart panel, okay? Here we go.